What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is kind of a sad day. Not really a sad day, but kind of a sad day because an old friend's going bye-bye. Kind of sucks, but it's been here for a year. It's done. It's ready to go. So Lee's going to check the car out. We're going to get it loaded up and send him back to Oklahoma. So let's go. All right, dude, I think they're here.
They're here?
They're here. They're here. I see them on the camera. Yep. You can see Lee's truck right there. A year later. Dude, what's up?
What's going on, guys?
Guys, this is Lee and his wife and daughter here, and this is Lee's car that you've got to know over the last year. So, guys, there it is.
There it is.
It's been, no, actually, you did get to kind of see it at Foxtoberfest.
Yeah.
So, guys, if y'all were at Foxtoberfest, Lee got to see it pretty much in this condition. Not totally done, but pretty daggone close.
Shiny.
Yes. Yeah, which is very hard because the weather's been awful. And we were gonna go out and do some pulls and make some boost today, but it's been raining and muddy and all that. Probably not the best day to get an 800 horsepower Foxbody out, but
No.
oh man. Dover even did some little cleaning and dusting underneath the hood. I mean, everything. Woo!
What do you think, kid?
Gosh, she's so slick. I think she wants to drive. Wow. Man, I haven't even seen it quite this clean yet.
Yeah. You can see your reflection in it.
It is just amazing. There it is, guys. That's what 800 plus. One of these days we got to get it on the dyno and see what it actually makes.
Yeah, there's a dyno about in Fort Smith, about 60 miles from my house, and so we were just talking on the way up here that there's a place over there that she wants to take me to go eat, so we'll drive over there and take a day of it, go throw it on the dyno, see what it makes, and go get some dinner.
But you got to promise to get me a video so I can show it. We can show everybody how she does. Real quick note, guys, we got the gear changed out for the 410 and OE 410 gear, and then we did back the pulley off just a little bit. Daryl the tuner said it was going to make a lot of boost.
Yeah, he said it was going to make about
like 15 pounds.
like 7,800. So
and on pump gas, that's kind of pushing it. But other than that, I mean,
he says if I want to put good gas in it, I can put the pulley back in and it'll be good.
I think a big jug of like VP 110 and send it, you know. But anyway, so dude, what do you think? Get it on the lift and check out all the goodness
check it out.
underneath it. Cool.
Got the new fuel system in, new tank, pumps, all the exhaust, coilovers on the rear, the brakes, fuel lines and filter, under, new drive shaft,
Yeah, that's
all the
nice.
stuff in the rear is new, we powder coated the rear end.
That was extra nice. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Yeah. Stifler's cross member, T56 Magnum, Cook's exhaust. Maximum Motorsports suspension in front too is the rear. Pretty much everything on it's new. Here's the computer and the fuel regulator and all the wiring. The fuel lines come in right here. Feed and return, go up through there, kind of like the stock ones do. And the main one feeds in the back, and then here's the return one right here. It goes by the frame.
Nice.
It's got the
Hopefully I won't have to mess with any of it, but now I know where it is.
Yeah.
All right, so this is actually your car.
This is my car.
Okay, so you have not actually started the car yet.
I haven't.
I think it's time.
Okay.
What do you think, Lee? It's time,
I think
dude.
it's time.
It's time. You got to twist the key on one of the badder foxes in the country.
Okay. Go get in the passenger seat, kid.
It makes great noises, by the way. All right. Keys should be in it, yeah.
Yeah, you got to come see that.
Yeah.
Dover was in it. Dover's.
Yeah, don't go back.
All right. Are you ready?
Ready.
Lord have mercy. What do you think? Oh man. Look, she's totally cheesing. Woo, love it. All right, we gotta rev it up a little bit. Man. Yeah, pretty awesome, dude.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. It's pretty awesome, y'all. Very nice. Yep, see the cluster all lit up. Ah. Now, do you like the little gauge over there in the vent? That's pretty cool. Very, very cool.
So, you got something you want to put it in?
You guys have to promise to be very careful in this thing.
Oh, yeah.
No wet roads at all.
Have to show Mama how to, let her show me how to drive it.
Yeah. Man, what a beast. All right, I guess we gotta load her up and say goodbye. Let's head it back to Oklahoma. And get her strapped down, send her back.
More. There you go.
Actually drove right up, didn't rub anything. Can't beat that. The first time I tried to put my car on a trailer, everything rubbed. Get her strapped down and say goodbye. Dover, any final words of...
It's been a pleasure.
It's kind of like part of the family now, Lee. You know, you got to bring it by to play or something.
They all already.
Yeah, exactly.
When I come bring up the black one, I'll bring it back and we'll
Okay, yeah. Well, wait a minute. Then you'll have to have another trailer.
figure something out.
We'll figure something out,
Get a
yeah.
double.
Yes.
I'm a 40-footer.
Yes.
I'll
You need a
to look out for
stacker.
that.
Yeah. Yeah, probably need a little more truck and... But yeah, stacker would be cool.
40-foot gooseneck.
Yeah, that's the other thing, Lee. We're convinced the next time you show up, you'll be in a Ford truck, right?
I'm working on it.
Okay, good deal. Good deal. He needs a Ford truck, doesn't he? Yeah, to match the Ford Mustangs. I mean, yep.
Yeah, mine too, yeah. 78.
All right, boys. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that that whole video series. Almost a year in the making, and super badass car. Huge shout out again to Lee. And again, Lee will be back. He'll be back. Got some more other stuff planned, lots more builds coming, stuff like that. But I always hate seeing a car go. You know, you get attached to them, and you always want to walk in and see what the next project is on them. But anyway, Lee, safe travels. Thanks again. See you soon. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And we got lots more projects to go, so gonna get busy. Later, guys.